Hello mga palangga! Good morning! So, nandito kami ngayon sa Bislig. I love Bislig. Ganda ng ng water. That's ocean. That's ocean there. Yan, kumain na kami. Nag-breakfast muna kami bago kami pupunta sa Enchanted River. So, we just finished our breakfast. So, nag-shake na kami. I have avocado shake. And the kids had mango shake and cookies and cream shake. Si Cameron and Jacob. Let's go! Hi, Ice!
Hi,
Hi, birthday girl! Ate sa Pinggoy. Hi, Pao Pao. Hi! Hi, Nanay Nita. Hi, Nanay Ka. Hi! Hi, Evan. Nanay Deni. Hi! Hi! So, we are moving on to the river. Nagkagulo na ang lahat. Magpicturean muna tayo sa landmark ng Enchanted River. Here's the Enchanted River. So blue. Tapos doon, pwede kayong maligo doon. Yan siya. Yan siya. So, hindi mo talaga makikita kung saan yung kung gaano siya ka deep. Yan, yung blue na yan. Yun ang yan ang very wonderful. So in this side, pwede tayong maligo dito. Diba? Sobrang linis ng water. Nasa gitna talaga kami ng ng forest. Talagang virgin forest. Tapos, sabi nila Jacob and Cameron, ayaw daw nilang maligo. Pero ngayon, nung nakita nila yung water, gusto nang maligo. Go, Cameron, Jacob. Hi, sa Pinggoy. Pau Pau, let's go. Ayan, maraming naliligo. Nag-enjoy na naman. Ang ganda talaga dito maligo, mga palangga. Sobrang linis. Go sa Pink, Pau Pau. Naka-life jacket. And si Cameron, walang life jacket kasi alam daw nilang mag-swim. Yan si Jacob. Ayaw daw nilang mag-life vest kasi alam daw nilang mag-swim. Totoo naman. Ayan siya. Ito yung Enchanted River. Ang ganda niya talaga. So, before naligo kami dito before. Pero ngayon ayokong maligo. Kasi sobrang lamig daw ng tubig. The Tinoy Ann Falls. A natural nature. So, we are at the Tinoy Ann Falls. Ito yung pinakamagandang falls nakita ko sa buong mundo. From the top, yung falls na talaga. Dito ako sa gitna, ha. Ayan. Ayan siya. Sobrang ganda. Tapos pwede kaming maligo doon banda. Dito rin kami mag-lunch. Ayan siya po. So, this is our second stop. The Tinoy Ann Falls. I'm sure maliligo na naman sila Jacob at saka si Cameron, Pau Pau and Suping. Today is Suping 10th birthday. So I'm sure nag-i-enjoy si Supinggoy. Jacob, what can you say about the Tinoy Ann Falls?
It looks beautiful. Also, by the time we were walking through that path, I saw three waterfalls.
Wow. You like the view? Do you like the view?
I feel water in my body.
Oh, okay. How about you, baby?
Yeah,
What can you say about the Tinoy Ann Falls?
good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Is it amazing?
Yeah. It's the first time we see a waterfall.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. You wanna swim?
No.
No, thanks. Okay. Yan, nakasakay na sila. Pupunta sila sa ilalim. Nasa gitna na sila. Grabe, lakas ng ng tubig. Yan, balik na sila. From experiencing the amazing Tinoy Ann Falls inside. You like it?
Took pictures there, but but the boat was kind of sinking, so my pants were wet.
Okay.
Right there.
Umuulan sa Katiel. Pero nandito kami sa Aliwagwag Falls. So, nandito kami sa Hanging Bridge. Kasi umuulan. Tingnan mo si Kami. And here is the Aliwagwag Falls. Here's the Aliwagwag Falls. I think ito yung number 1 highest falls in the Philippines. Oh my God, it's really nice. Oh my gosh. Yan natin. Ayan siya. Sobrang lakas ng ng tubig kasi maulan. Tapos diretso siya sa river. Ang ganda ng nila, hanging bridge. Parang small San Francisco Bridge. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Kasi sobrang ulan. Tingnan mo, nababasa ako. Basa kami. Kaya nakapayo. Okay. Ganda niya, Diba? Malakas yung ulan, ha? Okay, so, third stop namin. Oh my God! Sobrang taas pa niya. Ayan pa, hanggang sa dulo. Hanggang sa dulo. Oh my God! Kaya pala, siya yung mataas na falls in the Philippines. Okay, what can you say about the Aliwagwag Falls?
It's so beautiful.
And?
It is so tall. There are a lot of waterfalls. There are a lot of waterfalls combined together. There are a lot of waterfalls combined together, which makes it tall. Which makes it kind of tall.
Yeah, so this is the number 1?
Waterfall in the Philippines.
Oh, this is the number 1 waterfalls?
Yeah, I searched it.
Kasi ni-research niya. Sobrang ganda niya talaga. Mga palanggas, grabe. Sobrang beautiful niya talaga. Beautiful. Okay, grabe. Grabe, ganda-ganda niya. Ganda-ganda niya talaga.
There are more waterfalls.
Yeah. In the other side also, Okay, let's go. Kahit dito, meron din siya, Parang baby falls, waterfalls. Kasi puro siya talaga, bato. Puro siya bato talaga. Kaya ang ganda-ganda. So beautiful. Ayan, tapos nandun yung yung main. Diba? Pinakataas. So, after here in Aliwagwag Waterfalls, I think we need to go home. Kasi 3 stops na po kami for today. So, today it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So, talagang gagabihin na kami makauwi. And it's very blessing because it's like raining. So, I love rain. Okay? Rain is super lucky if you have rain. Okay? So, thank you for watching. Thank you for the love and support to all my palanggas. Ingat lahat. Spread love, joy, peace, happiness, and kindness. Bye!